Hello kids, today we'll learn alphabet A, B, C and counting number 1, 2, 3 with your favorite YouTube kids channel. Let's get started. Black color, brown color, red color, purple color, green color, blue color, green color. A for ant. Blue color. B for bat. Black color. C for cat. Brown color. One. O-N-E, one. Red color. Two. Two. Purple color. Three. Three is R-E-E, three. Let's again. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.